They have their eyes open now. They got them. They opened them all this morning. Hey, eyeballs. This one being sleepy. Cause I wanna go back to sleep. Hey, eyeballs. They're like, leave me alone. I'm tired. Yep, it's nap time.